Let's look at a word problem involving compound interest. Suppose you have $3,000 to invest. Which investment yields the greater return over 10 years? A 6.5% compounded semi-annually or 6% compounded continuously? How much more to the nearest dollar is yielded by the better investment? Well, in this case, our principal P is $3,000. That's what we have to invest. And we're going to be investing that money over 10 years. Now, the first case, case 1, is a 6.5% compounded semi-annually. All right? So here's our formula for compound interest. The thing we have to know is when we're compounding semi-annually, we have to know that n is equal to 2. So we'll plug all our information in here. A is equal to 3,000 times 1 plus r in this case, which is 0.065, all over n, which is 2, to the 2 times 10 power. Now this becomes a calculator problem. You pile that in there, and to the nearest dollar, case 1 will yield $5,688. Now let's look at case 2. Case 2 is a 6% interest compounded continuously, so we have to use an entirely different formula here. A is equal to P times E to the RT. So as before, our principal is $3,000 times the exponential E. The interest rate is different here. You've got to be careful of that, 0.06, and then again for 10 years. Carefully plugging this into your calculator, we're going to come up with an amount of $5,466. So it's obvious that case 1 is better, the 6.5% compounded semi-annually setup. Now that we've found that case 1 is the better investment, let's look at the difference. We're going to subtract $5,466 from our $5,688, and from that we'll come up with a difference of $222. That's how much more money you will make from case 1 versus case 2.